In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh and retry when you're experiencing issues with ChatGPT. It's a common problem many users face, and while it can be frustrating, there are a few straightforward steps you can follow to get things up and running again. Let's dive in and explore the sequence of solutions you can try to resolve the problem efficiently. First, the simplest and often most effective step is to refresh the ChatGPT page. If you're on a computer, you can do this by pressing Control and R simultaneously. If you're using a mobile device, you can simply pull down from the top of the screen to refresh. Sometimes the issue you're experiencing is temporary, and refreshing the page is all you need to get back on track. Give it a few seconds and attempt to use ChatGPT again after the refresh. It's surprising how often this basic step can solve connectivity or performance issues. Now, if refreshing doesn't do the trick, the next fix involves a bit more effort, clearing your browser cache and cookies. To do this, open your browser settings. Look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Within this area, you'll find an option to clear your browsing data. Make sure you select the choice that includes clearing both cookies and cache data. Once done, restart your browser and log back into ChatGPT. Clearing cache and cookies can often resolve lingering glitches, as these stored data files sometimes interfere with how web applications function. Another approach is to try accessing ChatGPT using a different browser or device. For instance, if you're currently using Chrome and encountering issues, you might want to give Edge, Safari, or Firefox a shot. Alternatively, if you're having trouble with the mobile app, try using ChatGPT directly in your browser by visiting chat.openai.com. Different browsers have different settings and configurations, which may solve the problem just by switching. If you've gone through these fixes and are still facing issues, it's crucial to check your internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. A simple restart of your router might help stabilize your connection. Also, be mindful if you're using a VPN, as this can sometimes cause server routing errors. Disabling the VPN could potentially resolve the problem. Finally, make sure that your ChatGPT app or browser is up to date. If you're on a mobile device using the ChatGPT app, check for updates in the App Store or Google Play. If you use ChatGPT on a desktop, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, leading to performance hiccups. By following these steps, you should be able to address most common issues when using ChatGPT. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Give these methods a try and you'll likely find that your problem resolves itself quickly. Thank you for watching and happy chatting with ChatGPT.